that sound boy, calling in the dance hall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
Except the driving school car. Huh? The blue one, I stick so.
Jamaica. With my friend Blacks, you know? Carlos, originally out there, my name. Black Empire, you mean? You know. Love, respect, and the first land, you mean? Big up. You know. And the one Mr. Dwayne Stevens, this one. Beats of the true business. Black Empire. Jamboree. Call seafood, eh? Good restaurant, all right.
the sea. I heard you whisper to me. Say now, turn out your light so we can see the sound running through me. I'm here just like the tide, and I'm taking a ride, going nowhere, looking for tomorrow. Anytime you don't wait for me, I take it slow.
All the cool of the road in the
Things in my
big people, so let me come on.
own time.
We'll make it go so then again.
I'm here just like the tide, and I'm taking a ride, going nowhere, looking for tomorrow.
So what? Now this one.
You know I can't stop loving you. Stop loving you.
On that field to go, alright?
I've made up my mind to leave it memories of the lonesome time. It's useless to say, so I just leave my life.
Pick up again. Pick up our song, man, I don't check for again, you say. This one.
Those happy hours
So what?
that we once knew. So long ago, it still made me blue.
Out to the voice of the one, Johnson.
We say that time
What a quote out of here.
is a broken heart, but time had stood still
So what?
since we've been apart.
Yeah, big girl, hey.
I can't stop loving you.
Big and serious. I want to name.
I smile so bright, you know you do the thing I can do. I'm holding you so tight, you know you do the thing I can do. The way you slip me on my feet, you know you do the thing I do. And baby, sounds so sweet, you know you could have been some perfume. Well, it could have been anything if you wanted to. I can take it. The way you do the thing. Alright, the way you do the thing. As pretty as you are, you know you could have been a flower. And it looks so many, you know you could have been an hour. The way you stole my heart, you know you could have been a clue. And you're so strong, you know you could have been a spoon.
Out to the good call. You be funny. alright? This one called. I know some big licks just straight out of Kingston, Jamaica. Trenchtown, you know, bad boy town. Alright, see that? I don't want to fall down again. You know we roll. Black Emperor sound, you know. All the blocks, big up, call us, everything. Alright. Oh, that's second to the dance sound just again. All the good of my rolling, no one feel free now. Place to be on a foreign, the car seafood. We could juggle them some tune, bigly. Come on!
Since you're on my mind, there's no peace I find. Sha-la-la, I need you. Sha-la-la, I love you. Sha-la-la, I love you.
You know, come on!
Sha-la-la, I need you. I can't live without you. But our love was true. Have to go away. Can't you hear me say, oh, baby,
Want to go, alright? Out to lay the cars into such a late great. To our next late great vice of the one, Mr. Jono. On the Good Friday for you, amen. Good finale.
I wanna wake up with you. I wanna be there when you open your eyes.
Good for the eye.
I want you to be the first thing that I see.
Love, respect goes out to the person.
Wake up with you. I wanna lay by your side, baby. I wanna feel every beat of your heart. And throughout the night, I want to hold you tight. I wanna wake up with you.
I think it's all about punctuality. You don't know the key to success in life, you understand? You see? Sometimes I'm saying two big sound on the ground, they don't know the thing go. So, big sound, come in.
Broken-hearted sound boy, darting in the dance soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.